Discussions are where the conversations happen in project.co. Within each project, you can create multiple discussions and control exactly who can see and take part in each one. This gives you complete flexibility over how and where you communicate. Each discussion is a space to chat, share files, add emojis, and even have fully threaded replies, keeping every conversation clear and organised. Let's jump in and I'll show you how discussions work. Okay, so to start off, let's go into a project. And then let's go up to the discussion page. And you'll see we have, in this project, 3 different discussions. We have a project chat, and this is visible to 7 people, who you can see up here. We have a freelance team chat, visible to 3 people, who you can see here. And we have an internal chat, visible to 4 people, that you can see here. If I want to create a new discussion, I just click New Discussion here, give it a name, and then choose the privacy. If I choose All Project People, it will be visible to all people who have access to this project. This is excellent for having a full project team discussion. Or I can choose Invited People Only, and then I can choose the people from the project who I want to have access to this discussion. This is great for having a segmented private chat within a project. So you could have your full team project chat, and then you could have sub discussions where you have private discussions within the project, but with just a select group of people. Okay, let's go back to project chat, and then I'm going to show you the main discussion pane here. Obviously, you can see the people who have visibility of this discussion. You can then see you can then search the discussion. So if I search for something here that I know is actually in the in this chat, you can see then we see this comment here. I can not just see this comment, but I could actually click to start a reply to this comment, or I can add emoji to this comment as well. Or I can click the comment to go and see it in the main discussion view as well. I can edit the discussion by clicking here, and then I can change the name of the discussion, I can change the privacy of the discussion, I can add new people to the discussion, or I can remove people from the discussion as well. And then we have the comments. So each comment has the comment written out. And you can also have a couple of options. So we can click on the reply here, and it will open the threaded reply sidebar. So this is a good way to reply to a specific comment rather than just having something in the main feed. So if I've got a comment that I want to make on this comment, I want to add a reply, I can click on the threaded reply here. It will open up the sidebar, and we can have a separate conversation just around this specific comment. So if I add thanks here, I'll post that. You can see it's posted, and you can also see that now we have one reply added in here. So if I actually close that, you can see the sidebar disappears, and we can see we have one reply on this comment. So if I want to view that again, I can click into it, and then I can see the replies in here. This is a great way to have a conversation about a specific comment and start those sub discussions within the main discussion. We can also add emojis. So you'll see the emojis that have already been added are in green. The green ones are the ones that I've added. Any in grey that aren't showing at the moment will be from other people. If I want to add another emoji, I can come in here and I can simply choose which emoji I want to add, and it will be added. To remove any emojis that I've already added, I can click and it will simply disappear. All emojis will show with a number next to them, with showing the number of people that have added that type of emoji. And if you hover, you can see who has added that emoji to. Down at the bottom, we've got our main comment box, and we can simply type in here. Or I can also use the @ symbol to mention somebody. So if I choose Jacob, you'll see it's highlighted in your brand colour. So I can say, thanks, Jacob, and post this, and it'll be posted. Because this has been an @ mention, Jacob will then get notified about this instantly, because it's he's been @ mentioned in this specific discussion. Everyone else will also get a notification. They'll get a notification on in the notification bubble, and they'll also get a notification in the hourly update email, and soon in push notifications on mobile too. I can also add emojis directly into here. So if I want to just add a smiley emoji in there, I can do that. I can also upload files. So if I want to drag a file in here, I can simply drag it over the comment box, and it will be, I'll see the upload modal. I can then click to upload that file. You get the progress bar to show you how much of it's been uploaded. And when it's done, you'll see that we have our file that has been uploaded there. I can then click if I want to preview that. I could start a separate discussion in the file if I wanted to. Let's do that. This looks great. Of course it does. We can click to comment there. So you can have discussions in the main project. You can also have discussions on files, and you can also have discussions on tasks, and they all work in the same way. So that was a brief rundown of how discussions work. As I mentioned, they work in projects, they work in DMs, and they work in files and tasks, all in the same way. So if you have any questions around this, or if you need any further support with discussions, please get in touch and we'd be very happy to help.